Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, papasyal tayo ngayon sa downtown.
Why?
Tapos na yung work namin ni Kim.
Why?
Kasi
It's
maganda
nice.
araw.
It's sunny today.
Yeah, so nilubos-lubos na namin kasi who knows, baka ulan na naman. So kaya, samahan nyo kami, mag-ikot-ikot, maglalakad lang tayo, mag-exercise lang tayo. Andito pala tayo ngayon sa Hamilton Street. Ito yung dinadaanan ko dati, naglalakad ako dati dito. From the station, Stadium Chinatown Station. Habang, from there, papunta dun sa work ko dati na 7-Eleven sa downtown. Kasi, nung student pa ako, nag-part-time job ako ng 7-Eleven. So, wala, nagre-reminisce lang tayo sa mga mahihirap at masasakit na araw.
Yeah. And then that's where we watched the Broadway play. Ano ba yun?
Yung, kalimutan ko. And, sabihin ko sana Along Came Polly.
Hindi, ano. Ayan. Downtown. Actually, palabas na to ng downtown, yung papunta dito. Palabas na siya.
Yan yung ano pala, BC Stadium. Yung medyo nakikita nyo naka-race na.
Yeah. And then, this one yung napakita namin sa inyo nung nag-drive kami one time. Yan yung CBC Radio Canada. Tapos to, bagong building yan yun. Deloitte. Cool.
Yeah. Bagong building ng Deloitte. Ang ganda dyan kasi I think ginagawa nila.
Nakita mo ba yung bagong inside nila?
Yeah, lahat green. Parang ginagawa nilang yung environment ng work, hindi siya pang work. Parang nakaka-relax ka pa din. So it's so nice.
Ayan, puro building na. And then here, yan, punta tayo sa library din since nandiyan naman na tayo. Queen Elizabeth Theater. Ito, si ate mo at Nita. Diyan siya nag-work sa CBC Canada. And then this is the library. You wanna go in there?
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hindi na pala tayo pupunta kasi sayang ang araw. Ayan. And this is Robson. Yung street na yan is Robson.
Yeah. Siguro one of these days papasyal namin kayo sa library kasi maganda din yung library dito eh.
I feel like a tourist.
Ayan na pala yung 7-Eleven.
Na pinag-workan ni Kat dati.
Yeah,
Let me zoom in.
Kasama ko dyan sila Miss Mary dati and si Miss Debbie. Debbie.
Zabe.
So shoutout sa inyo kasi nanonood din naman sila ng vlog namin eh. Tapos nagko-comment pa. Dyan sila nag-work 7-Eleven. Ang daming international students dito na streets kasi may university dito, itong Fairleigh Dickinson University.
Alin?
Yan, ito. Itong break na yan. Sa loob. Actually, hindi. Sa katabi ng break na to. Sa katabi ng break na yan.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Ayan na yung stadium. Yan. Maraming mga concerts dyan this summer. Fall. This fall. Oh.
Coldplay, yung
Ed Sheeran and Beyonce.
and sino pa ba? Marami eh. Maraming mag-concert ngayon dito.
Yeah. Pero napakamahal ng ng mga tickets. Ayan, ganda no? Yeah. Diyan din yung mga soccer games.
Artist?
Red Hot Chili Peppers din pala. March 29. Dami. Ayan, si Terry Fox yan. Ayun, yan yung casino. And then, yeah, the stadium, and then we're gonna walk over there. And then on the other side, it's very noisy, but that's downtown. Good. And then this is going out now. Oh, ito yung Rogers Arena pala. Yan. Tapos nandyan din ang Costco. There's the sign. We're at the back of the stadium right now. Because we gotta cross the overpass. Whoa! I think yan yung mga maliliit lang, no? Yan. Ganda talaga ng weather ngayon. Pag napanood nyo to, siguro makakalimutan nyo na laging umuulan dito sa sa Vancouver. But it's so pretty. Look at that. Amazing. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, I've never been here either. Lakad lang kami today. Yeah, and then I guess when you start the path, papunta na yun ng Main Street. I guess this is Falls Creek.
Is it?
I think. Yan. Yan, nag-walk na tayo sa lane. Ito for walking, and then the other one is for bikes. But look at the mountains. Oh, I guess you can't see right now. Be right back. Okay, there, you can see it now. The mountains. Ganda, no? Ganda today. Then, look at that sun. Whoa. Mamaya, we're on the other side now. Just wait. Okay, so we're here now. Dito na kami sa Science Center. And yeah, it's so nice. Look. Sunset almost.
Doon tayo,
Look at the mountains. So nice.
Yeah.
There, we're walking.
Ah, hindi pa yung vlog?
And this is our view right now. Nice. Nice. And then there's the train over here. And then imagine kung yan yung apartment mo, no? Tapos ito yung nakikita mo pag maganda yung araw. Ganda. Yan na yung train. Yan. And anyways, this is the Science Center. We haven't been there. I haven't been there anyway. I think I've been inside once, but I didn't actually go inside. Like, pay admission. It was for free. Yeah. And then the train station over there is Main Street. Main Street ba?
Main Street Science World.
Yeah, Main Street Science World. Okay, and then dito na tayo sa Main Street Science World Station. And usually marami ding cops dito kasi
Ano?
maraming cops dito kasi marami ding homeless na tumatambay sa area na to because I don't know, it's just a busy street and super accessible siya kaya ayan, nandito.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna take the train and then we're gonna go get the car and eat out.
Okay.
We are now at Joyce Collingwood. Yan. We're gonna go walk. Pauwi na kami ngayon. Okay, we're home. I just got Pokerito and Kat got Vietnamese, I don't know, Vietnamese pork chop with soup. So yeah, we're just gonna watch TV.
Okay, nasa bahay na tayo. And ito yung in-order ko sa Love for Pho. Pork chop with... Oh my God, ang
That's a
dami.
lot. How much?
$13.
That's a lot.
Pork chop on rice. And may libre na sila na sabaw. Nagka-crave talaga ako ng sabaw. So, naghanap kami ng Vietnamese restaurant na pwede kami mag-order ng sabaw for take-out. Kasi yung lagi namin pinupuntahan ni Kim, pwede mag-order doon for take-out. Pero hindi kasali yung sabaw. So, parang for dine-in lang yung nila, yung sabaw nila. So, ito, yung sa Love for Pho. May sabaw sila na libre. Kaya kain na tayo, guys.
And here's the one that we opened so far.
It's sweet.
It's really full pa. Many people have said that it's good, but it's a bit sweet for us.
And also, not too dry.
So now we're figuring out that we like the not sweet ones and the non-dry ones. I mean the dry ones. So that's good. We have a taste now. But yeah, anyways, that's all for this vlog.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget don't forget to subscribe if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa amin. And happy Valentine's Day!
Yeah, and if you're wondering if I'm okay, I'm okay. Thanks everyone for... Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, bye.